Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 crashing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and after that go to game mode, settings, turn it on, go to captures, turn off those two options, and then go to Xbox game bar, make sure it's off. After that go to task manager, close all the applications that you don't need like Google Chrome, and then scroll down, and now you will need to close all the applications that you don't need and that you know what they do, like any VPN or torrent or stuff like that. And if you find here Xbox game bar, close it, just right click on it and then click in task, and that's it. And now just go to the GeForce Experience, check for updates, and install the latest update for your graphics card, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.